Morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Christmas. Look at all the green peppers that are out after the rain. And there we have our butternuts coming out. We are now building our trellis for this. This morning I picked green beans from here. I left these ones on. They can just grow a bit more. So we have green beans outside to boil rain. Also building the trellis today for the cucumbers. Look at those flowers that are out there. It's a great day to be alive. Look at this one here. Don't see any fruit on here, but it has grown. It has grown. This garden is so luscious, full of life. And my corn is stuck in there.